In this video, I will be going over room types. Now, room types are all the room types you have available at property level. Um, these room types here are built in accommodations. So if you are wanting to add different room types to your property, then please look at our video on accommodations. So once you build the accommodation room types, you will be able to come in here and make some configurations to those room types. So here, let's go over deluxe. So this will tell you which property the room type is built for, the room code, the name of the room, and a description. Price group. So what we recommend is you create a price group for all the different room types you have available at property. So you can group the different packages into that price group for that room type. Number of rooms you have available. Booking time unit. This is currently grayed out at the moment since this is a live database here. Sort order. Sort order is blank here as we don't have a preferred preference on the sorting. Features. These features are actually built out in accommodations as well, and you're able to add features to different room types. So this 14 to 24 is, I assume, is a TV size, if it has a microwave, smoking allowed, not allowed. And what features basically does and allows you to do is when a guest contact has preferences for room features in their profile, when they go to make a booking, what it will do is it will automatically put them and recommend that you book them in this specific room type. So it's very useful. Capacity restrictions. So this is pretty straightforward. Fits a maximum of 4 persons, 4 adults. At the moment, we have no adolescents and no children, older or younger, that are allowed in this room currently. Let's see here. It does not fit any extra beds, does not fit any cribs. Overbooking is also not allowed. This is where you can allow overbooking with a confirmation required, not allowed, or you can choose none at all. So this is an overbooking rule. And that is for the extra beds and the cribs. Overbooking rule for the actual room itself is here. And if you choose to overbook, then you put the value of how many rooms you'd like to overbook by here. So since it's not allowed, this is defaulted to 0. Combined room type. So if this deluxe room consists of 2 different types of rooms, or if a deluxe room and a standard room is built out of a suite, then you could combine rooms here, and then you can add them here to these. And for interfaces, originates from external systems. So if you have an external system that is pushing your room types into Decennium, then this is where you would go to integrate that here. You would check that out. Pricing and policy. So these are all going to be the different groups and categories that we've built in earlier videos. So commission group, we have the commission group accommodation, the discount group accommodation here. So if you want to use default fee template from property setup, so you could do so here, or if you would like to set deluxe to have its own fee template, then you could create a fee template and then you could attach that here. Fee group, pretty straightforward. So if you have a fee group that you would like this room type to be a part of, then you could choose one here. We don't have any set up at the moment. Reward category. So you can click this little blue button here and it'll take you to reward categories. We have built, I believe, high, low, medium. We've just set this to medium. Tax group. We have this set up to incorporate accommodation tax group. We have this set up to have a cancellation group of accommodation and a deposit group of accommodation. So what we've done, as you can see here, is we've gone into all the different fields and created a specific accommodation group, category, and field. So when we go in here and choose a tax group, there is an accommodation group, same with cancellation group, deposit group, etc., etc.